English Made Easy. Direct versus reported speech unraveled. Hello language learners. Welcome back to another lesson in our Intermediate English Grammar series. Today, we are going to tackle a key concept in English language learning: reported speech. More specifically, we'll focus on differentiating between direct and reported speech. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Direct speech is when we use the exact words someone said. We usually put these exact words between quotation marks. For example, "I am tired," John said. Key point: in direct speech, we reproduce the speaker's exact words. On the other hand, reported speech is when we tell someone else what a person said, but we do not use their exact words. Instead, we often have to change tenses and pronouns to fit the context. Here's an example. John said that he was tired. Key point: in reported speech, we convey the meaning of the speaker's words, not the exact phrasing. One major difference between direct and reported speech is the shifting of tenses. In reported speech, we usually shift the tenses back. Here is an example. Direct: "I am going," she said. Reported: "She said that she was going." Remember, the shifting of tenses is a crucial aspect of reported speech. So, how do we differentiate between these two? The main clue is the use of quotation marks for direct speech. Plus, keep in mind the tense shifts in reported speech. Here's a quick recap. Direct speech: quotation marks plus speaker's exact words. Reported speech: no quotation marks plus tense shifts. Great job, everyone! We've just explored the world of direct and reported speech. Remember, it's all about understanding the speaker's words. Whether we're repeating them verbatim, direct speech, or paraphrasing them, reported speech. Keep practicing with these concepts, and soon you'll master them. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next lesson. Happy learning! Remember, practice is the key to mastering any language concept. So, keep practicing and you'll see your English skills improve.